ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयिवन् ऋलक् एओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लन् ञमाङणनं अभै घढदश् यबगडदश् खफछठथ चटतौ कपै शशसर् हल् अकुकविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचु यशानां तालु रुरशानां मूर्धा ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ ञमाङणनां नासिका च एदैतोः कण्ठतालु ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम् पकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम् जिह्वामूली यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रमेशं भजे
भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण
नाभिहता
रामाय तस्मै
रामाय
नमः
तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामानादिनारायणं परतरं रामस्य
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
सदा भवतु मे
मामुद्धर
मामुद्धर
Repeat. Ramah Ramau Ramaah
रामः रामौ रामाः
Harihi Hari Harayah.
हरिः हरि हरयः
We are chanting only Pratama Bhakti. The whole Shabda should be knowing. Guruhu Guru Guravaha
गुरुः गुरु गुरवः
Pita Pitarau Pitaraha
पिता पितरौ पितरः
Karta Kartarau Kartaraha
कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः
Yeshah Eto Ete
एषः
एतौ एते
Ayam Imau Ime
अयम् इमौ इमे
Sah Taute
सह तौते
Kah Kauke.
कः कौके
Now Strilinga. Rama Rame Ramaha
रमा रमे रमाः
Nadi Nadyau Nadyaha
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः
Matihi Mati Matayaha
मतिः मती मतयः
Dhenu Dhenu Dhenavaha
धेनुः धेनो धेनवः
Vaduhu Vadvau Vadvaha
वधूः वध्वौ वध्वः
Esha Ete Etaha
एषा एते एताः
Iyam Ime Imaha
इयम्
Tatetaha
का तेताः
Kakekaha
का केताः
Napumsakalingaha Phalam Phale Palani
फलं फले फलानि
Etat Ete Etani
एतत् एतानि
Idam Ime Imani
इदम् इमे इमानि
Tat Tetani
तत् तेथानि
Kim Kekani
किं केकानि
Did I introduce Subhashitam in the last class?
Yes, Guruji.
We'll continue with that. One Subhashitam yate. Yesham na vidya na tapo na dhanam jnanam na sheelam na guno na dharmaha temartyaloke bhuvibhara bhutaha manushyarupena mrhascharanti. I think we are not seeing the Subhashitam, right?
No, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji. No, we didn't see.
You will be able to understand the words maybe after some time when you learn more Sanskritam and grammar. Now you can identify the Kriya Padam. Do you see the Kriya Padam in this shloka?
Charanti.
Charanti. But Charanti, it's not, it's Mrigas Charanti, is that this Sandhi and all happened. So we should have the knowledge of Sandhi. Sandhi is one of the important topic. Very important topic. Without Sandhi, you won't be able to chant any text because you have to split when you chant. The shlokas, so generally, I'm not talking about the Vedic mantra. Vedic mantras, chanting is different, not swaras. And talking about the simple shlokas chanting, like Vishnu Sahasranamam or Lalita Sahasranamam, or even Gita itself, you can take. This can be recited. Doesn't have any swara, so you can read. You can read or you can recite in a particular tune. The tune is your choice. Like for example, Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yudhsavaha Mamakav Pandava Chaiva Imakurvata Sanjaya. It is an Anushtup Chandas. So therefore, each line can be divided into 2 quarters and 2 lines will be there in the shloka, Anushtup Chandas. So it can be recited. But to chant the quarters, there you may have to split the words because 2 words would have joined and it looks like so it's a one sentence, long sentence, but you have to split. Therefore, Sandhi knowledge is important. Even for chanting, recitation, Sandhi knowledge is important. So that's why it's an important topic. Because can read, doesn't mean you can read, you can recite shlokas. No. Unless you know Sandhi, it's difficult. That's why it's an important topic. Now here, Charanti, Mrigas Charanti, Mrigas, Sandhi has happened. What is Sandhi and all we will see later. So Charanti is a Kriya Padam. Charanti means they move. Charanti means they move. What moves or what move? Mrigaha. Manishya Rupena Mrigaha Charanti. In the form of human beings, Mrigaha Charanti. Not really Mriga. We're talking about the human beings who move around in the form of animals. They are animals only. Why they are called animals? Not everyone. Those, Yesham, na vidya. No vidya, no knowledge. No knowledge. They are not educated. Those who don't have knowledge. Educated, na tapaha, no discipline. Education, not the modern education. Education, learning the basic things in life. Vidya means knowledge. It can be paravidya. But vidya means that vidya by which you can conduct your life properly. That is a vidya. So, na vidya means yesham na vidya. Yesham na vidya. What is yesham? You all know. Yesham, what vibhakti? What shabda?
Yat Shabda Shashti Bahuvachan.
Strilinga.
Not Strilinga. Yat shabda.
Shashti Bahuvachan.
Pullinga. Shashti vibhakti bahuvachanam. We have seen that. Yaka yav ye yam yav ya. Remember? Like tat shabda. It's a demonstrative pronoun. I taught you in the beginning. Yat, tat, kim and all. So you can check. Yesha. Maybe I can show you. Do you remember Yat Shabda? Yes.
Guruji.
Yes.
You can see. This is the one. Yaka Yogi. Yam Hyoyan, Yena Yabhyam Yehi, Yasmai Yabhyam Yebhyaha, Yasmat Yabhyam Yebhyaha, Yasya Yayoho Yesham. That is what it is. So Yesham, Shashti Vibhakti, Bhagavachana, Yesham. So Yesham refers to those people, those Yesham na vidya. Yesham na vidya, those who have no vidya, no education, tapaha, no discipline, na dhanam. They don't know what charity is. Dhanam is reaching out action. Dhanam in the form of offering service or in the form of giving things what people require. Dhanam. Dhanam requires certain compassion, so they don't have that. Jnanam, na jnanam. They have to say na jnanam, no knowledge, no wisdom. Na sheelam, no character. Na gunaha, therefore they don't, no values, no character, no values. Na dharmaha, so there is no dharma, dharma karya. There is no righteousness in their action. So for those who don't have this, they, what is they?
The Bahuvachanam.
Yes, Pullinga Bhagavachanam. Yesham and te. Yesham, those of this, they, Martya Loke. Martya is Manushyaha. The one who is subject to death is called Martyaha. So Martya refers to human beings, the loka of human beings. Not only human beings, any beings. Martya Loke, here it is born and it is gone. So Loke, what vibhakti Loke? We know it.
सप्तमी एक वचन
Saptami vibhakti ekavachan.
Ekavachan.
Rame, like Loke. Bhuvivara bhutaha. Bhuvi means Prithvi. Bhara is burden, weight. They are in the form of just adding, only the weight, burden to the Bhuvi. Because they don't have vidya, no tapa, no dhanam, nothing is there. So in this loka, in this world, they just add weight, burden. And they are not different from animals. Therefore, mrigaha iti. Mrigaha charanti. You have to split that. Sandhi, when you can split. Now you understand it is mrigaha plus charanti, mrigas charanti. What is mrigaha? What vibhakti, mrigaha? What is pratipadikam?
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
प्रथमा विभक्ति
Pradama
बहुवचन
Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha.
Ramaha.
We have seen Ramaha kadati, Ramaha kadanti. Similarly, mrigaha charanti.
Ksharanti.
Manushya Rupen in the form of human beings. They are animals only. Animals moving in the disguise of human. Mrigaha charanti. This is the meaning of this Subhashitam. Subhashitam you can memorize also. It is very good. Some Subhashitam, it is good to memorize. Okay. Then I will introduce one topic, but we are going to see that in detail maybe later. But now just just an introduction, some orientation. Later we will see very systematically. Okay. We are seeing Kriya Padams and all. We are going to do that exercise. But before that, so that this topic will be getting familiar, will be easy later. Just introducing one more topic in between, and this we will pay very less time in the class. Later we are going to see the same thing very elaborately. This is just to give you some idea. I talked about Sandhi, that's why. Topic of Sandhi. Sandhihi. Okay. Sandhi means, now you understand it as simply as Joining of two words is called sandhi. Joining of two words. The joining depends on the letters. Two words are there. Two words join means what they join? They just sit one on the other? No. Two words joining means the last letter of the first word and the first letter of the following word, they meet. They meet, and therefore some significant change happens at the juncture. That is called sandhi. The meeting of two letters. The first letter of the first word, the second letter, the following letter of the second word, they meet. That's sandhi. At the meeting point, some changes happen. That is called sandhi. Parasannikarshah samhita. Technically, it is called samhita. Anyway, I don't want to get into that. We will see that in detail later. So, sandhi. Simply, sandhi can be translated as joining of letters. Sandhi is joining of letters. Now, let me do this. What is ak? Anybody? What is ak? Every class we are chanting.
Is the
All the vowels. All the vowels.
all the vowels.
No, I, U,
Sing-
R,
I,
Simple
U,
vowels.
Not all the
Simple
vowels.
vowels.
Nageshwara Sutra is not just for chanting, for knowing what it is. We have seen the pratyaharas and all. So don't forget that.
simple vowels.
Simple vowels.
Simple vowels.
Rule.
I, U, R,
A, E, U, R, and L. These are the letters. These 5 letters, simple vowels. Ak is ak as these letters. The letter A in the Nageshwara Sutra, Ayun, Riluk. That's what it is. Riluk. We stop there. Riluk. Do you follow? Can you understand? Riluk, how
Yes,
Riluk?
Guruji.
Yes, good.
Good.
Okay, let me show Nageshwara Sutra for those who are difficult in following. Going back to this, you can see here Ayuvan and Riluk. A, E, U, R, L. Starting from the first letter A, ending up to Kakara. So A, E, U, all the 5 letters are covered. So A, E, U, R, L. This is called Ak. Now, the letter A is that we know this Nageshwara Sutra covers all the letters of the language. That is the 13 vowels and the 33 consonants, all are covered. But where are the 13 vowels? You don't see 13 vowels here. A, E, O 3, and R, L 2, and A, O, and A, I, O. You don't see 13 letters here. Do you see 13 letters here? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, only 9 are there.
But it covers the second
Dirgham also.
dirgha.
A, E, U.
Long vowels are also.
Long vowels
Long
also.
vowels. Long vowels also covered. It is
Covered.
not mentioned, not required to mention. Why? Because A is Kanta. A is also Kanta only. Only the difference is in terms of time. So therefore,
Matra.
Matra only. Matra भेदः एव अस्ति न तु उच्चारण भेदः अकार आकारयोगो केवल मात्र भेदः अस्ति न तु उच्चारण भेदः. Therefore, A stands for A, E stands for E, U stands for U, R stands for R, L stands for
only Lu.
because there is no Dirgha Likara.
Yes.
Only
Dirgha not there. Right? So, therefore, A, E, U, R, L. It means A, E, U, R, R. So, the dirgha also included. So it means more letters are there in ak. It means a is there, e is there, then u is there, and r also is there. Even though these are not explicitly seen, it is understood to be there. So our practical purpose, we will say a, I, u, r, l, but the long forms are also to be understood, right? So this is ak. Now, this what is is there any difference between a and a other than time? Is there any difference between the two letters a and a other than the matra?
Like in Ajanta Shabdas, A is Pullinga and
I'm
A
not
is
talking about the shabdas. I'm talking about only the letter.
only the letter part of it.
No difference, Guruji.
No difference.
No difference. Okay.
No difference. So a and a, they are similar letters. They are similar because they have the same place of pronunciation. What is that place of pronunciation?
Kanta.
Remember.
Ganta.
Guttural.
Sansarjaniyanam
Gantaha.
Kantaha. We are
Kantaha.
chanting for a purpose. It's a prayer also, and we are chanting. So you need to know Uchcharana Sthanam important. So a and a, they are similar because same Uchcharana Sthanam. That is why Panini Maharishi did not mention a in the sutra. Only a is enough. Similarly, e and e. What is the similarity between these two?
Talu.
What are talu?
Talu.
Not including, not considering the matra. They are similar. Similarly, u and u are oshtam.
Oshto.
They are similar. So for the letter a is similar, right? For the letter e is similar. For the letter u is similar. For the letter r is similar. And l is also considered to be similar to r. That is why, that is how it is. Now I will not say why it is, but that is how it is. R and r are similar. Similarly, r and l also similar. Not this. Even though the Uchcharana Sthanam, but still they are considered to be similar in the language. Right? Don't ask why now, but just know it. This is how it is. And the word for similar is savarna. The word for similar is savarna. Savarna is similar. Similarity in terms of pronunciation. Uchcharana Sthanam. Okay. Now, ak is there. Ak letter. We are going to see, say for example, simple example. Parama. I'm taking one word as well as the pratyahara. Parama. What is parama? The first word. What is the last letter of the first word?
Ma.
You have to say
Akaram.
Ma, not ma. Makara plus a.
Akka.
Right?
Yes.
So akara is the last letter of the first word. So this a, does it belong to ak?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
So parama ending with a. Now the following word beginning with the letter a, right? So this a, which is akar not.
Ak only.
Yes. So this is a and this is a. Are they similar or are they different?
Similar.
Similar.
So, therefore, ak followed by savarna ak. Can I say?
Similar. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Ak stands for a, e, u, r, l, or a, e, u, r, l. You can say. So, ak letters followed by savarna ak. Similar ak. It means, you tell me, a plus what letter can come here?
Only.
Ah.
A can come or
Ah.
A also can come.
Ah.
Possible. Similarly, A plus what letter can
Plus
come here?
ah.
And
Ah.
Here also A can come
and
or A can come. The same way can we do for other letters. If it is E, what letter can come? Savarna,
E.
And
E.
E can come.
short and long, right?
Yes.
Similarly, if it is E, then
E.
and
Same. E and E.
E. Like that we can do for U, R, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So now A plus A or A plus A, whatever may be. A plus A, this is one. Other thing is A plus A. Now
Ah.
this is Ak, this is Savarna Ak. So A plus A, what will happen? Both, that is both I mean the first, the last letter of the first word, which is A,
And first
and the
letter.
first letter of the following word, which is A, both will be
Become A.
replaced by a one letter, which is A.
Ah.
A is Dirgha, right?
Yes.
Dirgha of A. So this A will replace both. Similarly, the last letter of the first word and the first letter of the following word, A plus A, what will happen?
Also
Ah.
dirgha.
Only.
Dirgha.
So, we can have many permutation combination. See, here, you can have any permutation combination. A plus A is A.
A plus A.
A plus A is also A.
Ah.
Then A plus
A plus A.
E.
1 minute. A plus A is equal to A. A plus A is equal to A. Then A plus
A plus A is equal to A.
A.
Then similarly, A
A
plus
plus A is equal to A.
A.
A plus A. Both Dirgha will be Dirgha only,
Dirgha only.
right?
Yes.
From this, what we understand, this is A, this is A, this is Ak letter followed by Savarna Ak. So when Ak is followed by Savarna Ak, then both are replaced by a long Ak. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So same thing here. This when Ak is followed by a Savarna Ak. A is Savarna to A. Both will be replaced by a long A.
Ah. That is also
Similarly,
Ak.
Ak is followed by Savarna. A and A. They are Savarna to each other. So both will be
Yeah.
replaced by A.
A.
Similarly, A, which is an Ak, followed by Savarna Ak. A plus A is equal to A. So, therefore, the first letter, that is the last letter of the first word, whether it is A, or the first letter of the following word, whether it is A or A, the resultant will be, both will be replaced by
Dirgha.
Dirgha only.
Dirgha. This is a rule. This is a Savarna Dirgha
Dirgha
Sandhi.
Sandhi.
It's called Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Sandhi means joining. The joining of the two letters or two words, two letters. And it is replaced by some other letter. That is called Sandhi. So now taking this example, Parama plus Artha, Param ending with A, ending and this beginning with A. So this is Ak followed by Savarna Ak.
Ad-
So A plus A will become
Dirgha A. Paramartha.
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 This is Paramartha becomes, this is the
Dirgha.
rule. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Right? So, similarly, Deva plus Ashrayaha.
Devashraya.
Shreyaha.
Here, Deva,
Yaha.
Akara plus A. Deva. A plus A. What will happen? A plus A will become Deva.
Ah.
Devashraya.
Devashrayah.
Then Rama plus Agachatu. Rama
Rama
Akara
gachatu.
plus A. A is Savarna. Becomes Rama Gachatu. Right? So the rule is Ak followed by Savarna. Both will be replaced by
Dirgha.
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 Dirgha Ak. That is the rule. Dirgha Ak. I gave example for A. Similarly for E. Similarly for U. Similarly for R. We can do. Right? So
This
this
sounds
is
very similar to what we have in Telugu also. Guruji.
Telugu.
Tamil, yes, in all
Yeah.
native language.
Yes, Guruji. Yeah.
This is to start with.
Savarna Dirgha
Later you will
Sandhi.
see a lot of things coming up. Okay.
Yeah.
This is to give you some idea about what Sandhi is. I just started the topic, but it will take a long time. Just know what it is. Okay. So this is one type of Sandhi. So therefore, you can know the importance of knowing the Pratyahara. Right?
Yes,
Pratyahara is
Guruji.
important.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah.
The knowledge
Yes.
of Pratyahara is important. Already we have dealt with Pratyaharas in just 3 classes. So Pratyahara need to be memorized. Yeah, because memorize, I said, if you can remember, fine. I taught you the technique to remember Pratyaharas, the content of the Pratyahara. So the 41 Pratyaharas are important Pratyaharas. Need to know the content of the Pratyaharas. Ak is important. So the change, what happens, depends on the letter, the last letter and the first letter and the last letter, first letter of the last letter of the following first word, and the last letter of the following word. Depends on the letter. What letter is that? In this case, it is followed by Savarna. No problem. Suppose if it is not Savarna, something else will happen. Okay. We will see that later. Now you understand this. This is what
Yes,
called
sir.
Sandhi.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
This is what is called Sandhi. We'll talk about this later. Now, some knowledge, something is, you understand, that is enough. We'll continue with this topic later. Okay, then the last class, I said we will continue this exercise, right?
Yes.
Did we do this exercise? I think we did some up to 10 or 12, I think we did.
11.
11.
11,
Okay.
I think.
I think from 11 we can do now. So now we are learning Kriya Padams. Okay. So Shabda is very important. Shabda, you please keep chanting, try to memorize the Shabdas, whatever I gave you. Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda, and Srilinga, Napumsakalinga, and all the Sarvanama Shabdas. Once you are thorough with that, then we move on to the next Shabda. Okay, in between we have some time. Kriya Padam we can see, Sandhi we can see. So you can keep memorizing Shabda also. Okay, now these sentences you can translate. Simple sentences. Number 11. Tanujaji, you can do. Tanujaji will answer.
Yes. Guru
Others-
does not. Guru
Others
does
can
not.
listen, please. Yeah.
Guru does not go.
Hmm.
Guru na gacchati.
Again,
Guru na gacchati.
Guru is not, there is no word Guru. There is no word Guru.
Guru who? Sorry.
Hmm.
Guruhu.
If you drop Visarga, it's not a word at all.
Okay, sorry, Guruji.
Is there any word Guru in the Guru Shabda?
No,
Anybody?
sorry, yeah. Guruhu, sorry.
Huh? Is there any word Guru in the Guru Shabda?
No, Guruji.
Please check the Shabda.
Guruvaha.
Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha.
Guru. We
Gurun,
have
Guru,
Guru.
Guruna, Guruna, Gurubhyam, Gurubihi.
Guruvihi.
Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha.
Gurubhyaha.
Guroho, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha. Guroho, Guruvoho, Gurunam. Gurau, Guruvoho, Gurushu. E Guru, E Guru, E Guravaha.
Guravaha.
Atra asti Guru Shabda, Guru Padam, Atra. Asti va nasti va?
Nasti va.
Nasti.
Nasti. Nasti. Guru is not. Guruhu only it is there. So you cannot drop the visarga. So Guruhu na
Na gachati.
gacchati goes. Na gacchati doesn't go. Kaha na gacchati?
Guru na gachati. Guru na gachati.
Guruhu na gacchati. Remember. Don't drop the visarga. Important.
Yes, sorry, Guruji.
Visarga should not be dropped. Visarga is important. We are going to see Sandhi. It's very not complicated, but it takes some time that you'll see the importance of Visarga. Okay, next time you can do. Continue, Tanujaki.
Okay, Lata drinks. She does not eat. Lata pibati.
Pibati.
Sa na khadati.
Yes. Pibati. Lata. Ka pibati.
Lata
Juice.
pibati.
Okay.
Dugdam pibati.
Yes, that is your choice. Kapagnam pibati also you can say in the morning. Here in the morning in India. Kapagnam is
Coffee.
coffee. Yeah.
Oh, what is it again?
Kapagnam.
Kapagnam.
Yes. I like coffee, that's why I said coffee.
Yeah, I love it too.
She doesn't eat. Sa na kadati.
Khadati.
Kim? Sa kadati va? Na. Sa na kadati.
Na khadati.
Next person, Manjari, number 13.
Guruji, student goes. She doesn't salute. Chhatraha gachati.
Please see. So,
she
will answer. Manjulaji will answer. Others, please listen. Huh?
Yes, Guruji. Chhatra gachati.
Okay, others I already said. That's why you. Okay. People are so enthusiastic. They don't allow the person to respond. Student is there and the pronoun is there. She is there. Therefore, student must be she. She. Therefore, chatra. Nama Shabdavat.
Yeah, Guruji.
You can note that. Chatra, chatre, chatraha. Chatraha, chatrau. Dash. Chatraha, chatrau.
Chatran.
No. I said chatra, chatre, chatraha. Then I said chatraha, chatrau.
Chatra.
One is Pullinga, other one is Strilinga.
Strilinga.
Not Ditya Vibhakti.
Okay.
Chatraha is, the form is same for both Pullinga and Strilinga.
Strilinga.
Prathama Vibhakti, Bhagavachana. How do you know whether it's Pullinga and Strilinga? Depends on the context. So here the context
Pullinga
is...
Napunsakalinga.
Sorry?
No.
That's not
No,
Napumsakalinga.
No, sorry, I got confused.
So here, pronoun she is, therefore we know chatra. Ka gacchati?
Chatra gachati.
Manjulaji. Ka gacchati?
Chhatra gachati.
Chatra gacchati.
Yeah, Guruji.
Sa kim na karoti?
Chhatra na namati.
Namati.
Sa na namati.
Sa kim na karoti? Sa na namati. She doesn't salute. Next one.
Politician. The word.
You read the sentence.
Politician doesn't speak. He roars.
Like, okay.
Na vadati.
Kaha na vadati.
राजनीतिज्ञः
Huh?
राजनीतिज्ञः
Yes, Rajanitikyaha, I can say, politician.
ओके गुरुजी
Politician.
राजनीतिज्ञः न वदति
Hmm.
सः गर्जति
Rajanitim janati iti rajanitignah. Okay, it's a simple word. Not the, Rajaniti is politics. Rajaniti. Niti means dharma. So politics should be in keeping with dharma, but unfortunately it is not. So Raja Anitihi now. There is no Nitihi. Rajaniti is
So true.
politics. The one who knows Rajaniti, the way to conduct a kingdom, that person is called Rajanitijnaha. Okay. So, okay, let me type the word here. So, Rajanitijnaha. When you add the word Nyaha, Nyaha, you will see that later what is Nyaha means the knower. Rajanitijnaha is the knower of politics. Suppose the knower of Shastram, if we say Shastrajnaha. Shastra is knower.
Yeah.
Or if you say Astrajnaha, the knower of Astra, missile technology, he knows. So we can just add Nyaha. Nyaha means the knowledgeable person. So Rajanitijnaha, yes, Manjulaji, do it.
गुरुजी राजनीतिज्ञः न वदति
Navadati. Kim
सः
karoti? Tarki.
गर्जति
Garjati. He roars.
गुरुजी
Okay. Next person, Priyaji, 15 and 16.
Yes, जी. मम छात्रः रामः न लिखति.
Given the Kriya Padam, Dhatu, the bracket.
Yes, जी. न लिखति, but what I forgot.
Kintu.
किन्तु वदति.
Kintu vadati. Kintu, but. Or you can say simply tu also.
Okay.
Mama chatraha Ramaha na likati. Kintu vadati. Continue.
मम पिता पश्यति सः नमति.
Yes. So my is mama. Already we saw, I introduced this Shashti Vibhakti, important Shashti Vibhakti. We'll be using it frequently. That is why Shashti Vibhakti introduced. Mama is my. Ramasya is
षष्टि
Ramasya, Ramas.
षष्टि
Same Shashti Vibhakti, Ramasya. Ramasya Pustakam, Rama's book. Right? Sambandha, the connection between the book and the Rama. So similarly, my is also, my student means what? The connection between me and the student.
Mama.
The student. Between me and the student. That connection is what is Mama is. Shashti Vibhakti. Shashti Vibhakti shows connection, sambandha between two things. Right? Next one, Jyotiji.
Yes, Guruji. My father sees, he mother says, daughter writes. Mata vadati, putri likhati.
Okay.
Lion roars, it goes. Guruji, should it be Simham or Simhaha?
Simhaha, Pullinga.
Simhaha garjati, then it should be Saha gachati.
Yes, very good. Yes. It in English, in Sanskritam, Saha only. Saha stands for it or for he, both. Okay. Because in see how Sanskritam looks upon the things. Generally, we use it for that which is non-living thing, right?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah.
It or Napumsakalinga. So it lion is a living thing, living being. In Sanskritam we say Saha. That's all. It's a pullinga. Lion is a pullinga. The word is a pullinga. Lioness, Sinhika, we can say Strilinga. But it's a living thing, therefore Saha. Vrikshaha, we say. Vriksha is also living thing. Vrikshaha. It beautifully uses the appropriate pronoun. Saha. So Saha means, here Saha means it. So the word for it or he is Saha only. So don't get confused with the English. It is there. Therefore, what is the word for it in Sanskritam? Only Saha. You have to see the word lion. Lion is Pullinga or Strilinga. Pullinga. Therefore, Saha. If it's Strilinga, then Sa. Okay. Kamakshi, next one. Number 19 and 20.
Teacher do not write, he reads. Shikshakah na likhati, saha patati.
Okay. The words for Shikshaka, any other words are there?
Adhyapakaha.
Adhyapakaha.
Another word.
Guruhu.
Another word.
Guru.
Good. Another word.
Acharyaha.
Very good.
Acharya.
You see how many words are coming up? Acharyaha.
Vidyarthi.
Vidyarthi,
No,
student.
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 Adhyapaka is Vidyam Adhyapayati. That's okay. Pradhyapakaha means
Principal.
Head.
professor.
Headmaster.
Professor.
Headmaster. Principal.
Professor, principal, whatever may be. Pradhyapakaha.
Acharya.
Acharya you say. Deshika also you can say. We have got different words for teachers. Somebody sent to WhatsApp also. Upadhyayaha and so many words are there for teacher. Upadhyaya also means teacher. Okay, continue.
Beggar eats, drinks, salutes. Bhikshukah kadati, saha pibati, saha namati.
Yes. Next one, Girijaji.
Yes, Guruji.
Kriya Padam not there. You have to
Yep.
check the
Okay.
previous one. Yeah.
This person, Chandra, do not drink. Yeshah Manushyaha Chandraha na pibati.
Yes.
Is
Eshaha
a-
Chandraha itself is will do. Anyway, this person
Okay.
is a person need not be translated, but because Eshaha itself takes care of that. Eshaha is
Yep.
Eshaha
I-
Chandraha.
I didn't want to take that kind of liberty, Guruji. That's why.
It's
I-
okay. It's correct only. Nothing wrong in that. Eshaha Manushyaha Chandraha, you can say.
Okay. She is a householder. She does not read. Saha grihini
Sa.
asti. Sa grihini asti. Sa na pathati.
Grihini. What Shabda is that?
Grihini is
Nothing.
Sri.
Nadi.
Nadi Shabdavati. Ikarantaha Strilingaha. So please take this as a homework and try. Grihini, you try to decline like Nadi. It's good homework.
Yep.
Please
Okay.
take Grihini, you have to decline like Nadi Shabdavat. You remind me next class, you can say Grihini.
Yep. Nadi.
Guruji,
Shabda.
one doubt, Guruji.
Yeah.
Madhyama Purusha, is it Bhavati or Bhavati?
Madhyama Purusha. Why Madhyama?
Bhavan and Bhavati, we have.
Okay.
Purusha.
Bhavan, Bhavati is with respect. Madhyama Purusha. Bhavan, Bhavati. Bhavati is, okay. You're asking Bhavati is short or long, right?
Yeah, Guruji.
Yeah. Okay, good. It's a long one. Bhavati.
Okay, Guruji.
Not the Kriya Padam Bhavati. Okay.
Yeah, Guruji, we
That
have
can-
Kriya Padam Bhavati,
Yes.
it is becomes.
Yes. That Bhavati is different. This Bhavati is different. Bhavati, Bhikshan, Dehi. MS.
Matan Purneshwari.
Yes.
Yeah, Guruji.
So Bhavati is Dirgha E.
Okay.
Always it is Bhavati Bhikshan Dehi only, not Bhavan Bhikshan Dehi. Why you know? Because Grihini only gives Bhiksha. When a sadhu comes and asks for Bhiksha, who comes and gives Bhiksha?
Lady
Yeah.
of the house.
Lady.
Yeah.
That's why Bhavati. That's why he knows whom to address. He will not say Bhavati.
She's in charge of the kitchen.
Yes.
Then, Guruji, how will we decline this Bhavati?
Very good. Bhavati, like it's also like Nadi Shabdavat.
And Bhavan?
Bhavan is different. We have not seen. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Bhavati is Nadi Shabdavat. You can
Okay,
note.
thank you.
Bhavati, that also you can try. Like Nadi Shabda. So we say, what is the Shashti Vibhakti of Nadi Shabda, Ekavachanam? Anybody?
Nadyoho.
No, I'm
Nadi.
asking Ekavachanam.
No, it is
Yeah.
Nadinam.
Ekavachanam. Somebody said
Nadya.
Nadya.
Nadyaha.
Nadyaha.
So Bhavati will become.
Bhavatyaha.
Nadyaha.
What is your name? How do you ask in Sanskritam?
Bhavatyaha.
भवत्याः नाम किम्?
नाम किम्?
Already we have seen this. Bhavataha nama, Bhavatyaha nama. Bhavataha Shashti Vibhakti, Pullinga, Ekavachanam. Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Bhavatyaha is Trilinga. Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Shashti Vibhakti, therefore Sambandha, connection between the two. Bhavati, you, and Nama. Therefore, then your name, it's something connection or something what you have, belongs to you, what you possess. Right?
Yeah.
So name also is a possession. Name is not, see, name is also a possession. So it is not you. But also to be, will go away in time. It's Vedanta is how the vision is, you can see Shashti Vibhakti. Why you use Shashti Vibhakti? That which you own for time being, it's not yours. It cannot be your Swarupa. Name is not your Swarupa. Name is just for this Sharira. And Sharira is what you own for time being. It's a you own it. It's not you. So you owning and you both are different.
Yep.
What you own cannot be you. What you own is an object. The object cannot be the very subject, the person. The Swarupa of the subject is Atma. And whatever you hold is must be Anatma. So you're holding to Anatma. A name is also what? Anatma only. Right? You can see the vision behind even these vibhaktis. That's why Sanskritam, beautiful it is. What you hold, the Nama and Rupa, that is also Anatma only. It's not you. That is why you own it. Like I have a pen, I have a book, I have my Vastram, I have name, I have the Shariram also. The name and the Shariram, they are also not you. They are limited and going to go away. So vision is there behind even the usage of this vibhakti in every word what we use in the language. Okay, continue. Next person.
Yes. Oh, okay. Sorry.
You have done the two, right? 21, 22. Yes.
Yeah, I have done it, Guruji.
Next person, Manjari.
Yes, Guruji. He is a sage. He is Ramana. He does not speak. Saha munihi asti. Saha Ramana asti. Saha na Ramanaha asti. Saha na vadati. Lalita reads, my mother writes. Lalitaha pathati.
No, Lalita is correct. Lalita is Strilinga.
Lalita. Yeah, Lalita pathati. Mama mataha likhati.
Mata.
Yes, Mama mata likhati.
Mata, what is its Pradipadika?
Mata.
Matri.
Yes. Okay, great confusion. You have to note this.
Yeah.
Rama is Rama Pratipadika.
Yeah.
And it is Kausalya is a Pratipadika. But Matra is a Pratipadika. Don't go by the ending letter. No, not always. Matru, Rikaranta Shabda. Right? So Mata. Similarly, Pita also. Pita is what Shabda?
Pitra Shabda.
Rikaranta Shabda. You cannot say Aka, Pita, like Rama. Pita is Pullinga. How can it be? Right? So, when it comes to Shabda, you should remember the Rikaranta also. And Rikaranta, we have familial noun base and agent noun base. So, two types of Rikarantas are also there.
Yeah.
Okay, so then the next person, Shivanuji, 25 and 26.
Rama does not speak. Ramaha na vadati. For but we can use tu, right? Tu
Yes, yes.
namati.
Yeah, yes. Tu namati.
And she does not salute. She sa na namati tu vadati.
Yes. Next person. Bhuvaneshwariji.
Yeah, yes, Ji, yes,
Long
Guruji.
sentence.
Oh. Writer writes Lekani.
Lekani is what with what you write.
Um,
The pen is called
Striling.
Lekani. No.
Pen.
No,
Pen.
Lekani is different. Okay, okay. Sir,
Lekani
Guruji,
is-
writer, what we can say?
Lekakah.
Lekakah.
Lekakah likati. Speaker speaks.
What is it?
Speaker, what can we say, Guruji?
The people will say. I don't have to say. Somebody will say. Come on. People are ready to answer. They will say. Yes, please say. Speaker.
Related to Vadata word.
Vadakah.
Vadaka.
No.
Bashara.
Vakta.
Bhashaka.
Vakta. Not Bhashaka.
Bhaktah, huh?
No. Listen. I'm typing it.
Yeah, okay.
Vakta.
Bhakta. Okay.
Strilinga.
Strilinga.
No. Don't come to conclusion. Listen. Vakta is Rikaranta Shabda.
Vaktre. Okay.
Okay, if it is Strilinga, what will be? Suppose the speaker is a woman.
Vaktri.
Very good. Vaktri. Same Vakta will become Vaktri. Not this. Vaktri. Vaktri. This is how it's. This is also your homework. Please take this Vaktri. How do you decline this?
Nadi.
Vaktri, Vaktrao, Vaktrayaha.
Nadi Shabdavat.
Nadi
You have
Shabda.
to practice this Vaktri. You can take this Shabda. I'm just typing here in the corner. You can see. Karta. What is it? Pradipadika?
Kartre.
Kartra. Similarly, Strilinga will be.
Kartri.
Three.
Kartri.
So, did I teach? We saw all the Vibhakti Vachanam.
No, Guruji.
No, Guruji. Only
It's time to introduce that. Okay. So anyway, no problem.
Guruji, we can say Vachaka.
Vachaka is reads.
Vachaka.
Vachaka is not. Vakta only. What is Vachaka? From the Vach Dhatu. Vachaka. From the Vach Dhatu. Vach means to speak. Vachaka. I think Vachaka also. You can use, yes, Vachaka. You can use from the Vach only, right? So, the one who speaks. So, Vachaka.
Okay, Guruji.
But Bhakta is good. Anyway, you can use both. Nothing wrong in that. Yes.
Okay, Ji. Bhakta vadati.
Okay, if it is Bhakta is speaker. Suppose if it is Adhivakta. Adhivakta means Adhigama pesradu.
Too much.
Too much.
Oh, just joking. Okay. Adhivakta means lawyer.
Okay.
Adhivakta is lawyer. Adhikam vadati iti adhivakta. Just it's not a literal, just a joking. Okay. He speaks.
But lawyers speak too much
Adhivakta
anyway.
also speaks.
Lawyer speaks too much and they can be called liar also. So Adhivakta means the lawyer. I hope nobody lawyers are there, just for joking. Okay.
Okay, Ji.
Okay. Adhivakta, lawyer. So Vakta, Adhivakta, you can see the connection.
Okay.
Why lawyer is called Adhivakta? His job is to speak, right?
Speaker.
Yes.
So Vakta Vadati. Okay, continue.
Writer, do not speak. Lekakaha na vadati.
Okay.
Speaker, do not write. Lekakaha.
No. Speaker.
Speaker. Vaktaha. Vakta na likati.
No, Vakta only, not Vakta.
Vakta, no, not Vakta. Writer is not speaker. Lekakaha na Vakta bhavati.
Good.
Asti.
Bhavati, asti, anything you can use.
Asti, anything we can put. Speaker is not writer. Bhakta na lekakah bhavati or asti. Writer is my father. Lekakah mama pita asti. Speaker is my brother. Bhakta mama brata asti.
Yes.
My brother is Shyam. Mama brata Shyam asti. Shyamaha asti. My father is Harish. Mama pita Harishaha asti. Harish is a writer. Harishaha lekakaha asti. Kimtu bhakta.
Asti. Na bhakta.
Asti. Shyam is a speaker. Shyam Shyamaha bhakta asti. Kimtu
Lekakah
na lekakah na asti.
Shyamaha bhakta na lekakah.
Na lekakah. Okay. Okay, ji. Okay. Shyamaha bhakta
na lekakah.
Na lekakah. Okay.
Harishaha lekakah na bhakta.
Okay.
So you are familiar with the Kriya Padams now.
Yeah.
And many dhatus are given. So you have to practice this. Then continuing further. Second dhatu list.
Guruji, dhatu, is it Strilinga or Pullinga?
Pullinga, like Guru Shabda.
Yeah, Guruji, and it's the declensions are same for Strilinga and Pullinga.
There is no Srilinga. Why Srilinga?
Means Ukaranta Padam, Guruji.
Dhatu is Pullinga, like Guru Shabda.
Okay, Guruji.
There is no Srilinga. Dhatu.
Okay.
Dhatu, the word is Pullinga.
Okay.
So that's also your homework. You can try that Dhatu, Ukaranta Shabda.
Yeah, Guruji.
Okay. So then more and more Kriya Padams are coming. So you have to be ready to know this. This you have to be familiar. Only we can use it in the translation. We are going to do a lot of translations. So all these Kriya Padams are important. What we learn now only, it will help us all the way. So we can just read. Next person, Lataji. Each one of you read 5.
Okay.
Kriya Padam.
Kad eats kadati. Pach cooks pachati. Pat fall patati. Vad speaks vadati. Raksha protects rakshati.
Here, eats is a translation for kadati. Kad means to eat. Pach means to cook. Pat means to fall. Vad is to speak. Raksh to protect. That is the meaning of the dhatu. Kadati, eats means talking about the person.
Okay.
Saha kadati or sa kadati, whatever may be. Saha pachati, sa pachati. So pachati, the ti only, because of ti only, it is cooks. Suppose if it is pachanti, it will be Bahuvachan, cook. Patanti, then falls will become fall. Okay. So the translation is for the Kriya Padam, not for the Dhatu. If it is a Dhatu, it will be to eat, to cook, to fall. It will be like that. Next person. Need to know the meaning of all the Kriya Padams, Dhatus. Okay. Now it's Shrutiji.
Yes, Guruji. Vas, lives, vasati. Char, moves, charati.
We saw
Jeev.
Just now we saw char somewhere. Where do you see?
Subhashitam.
Yes, Subhashitam.
Mrugas charanti.
Mrugaha charanti. Charati, charataha charanti. Animal move. Yes.
Jeev, Jeeva. Jeev lives, Jeevati. Nam salutes, Namati. Tyaj gives up, Tyajati.
Tyaj gives up. It means leaves also is there. It means leaving a place also. Tyajati.
Leaves.
He leaves home for Delhi. So Tyajati.
For donate also we can use it like that.
Give up,
Tyajati.
can we tell
Not
Give.
Tyagam.
Tyagam.
Tyaga.
Renunciation, tyaga. From this dhatu only you get. The word tyaga is derived from this dhatu by adding a suffix. Lot of suffixes are there. The suffixes will give a certain meaning to it. Here also we are seeing the T suffix. It denotes a person who gives up. Tyajati. A person who does this action of giving up or leaving. Okay, next person, Kausalyaji.
At wanders atati. Ni leads nayati. Pa drinks pibati. Prach asks prichati. Stha stands tishtati.
Note this star. Dhatu is star. But the form is tishtati. Similar, all these words starting from pa onwards. Pa means to drink, not pati. Pati is different. Pa becomes pibati. Prach, to ask, becomes prichati. Dhatu is different and the form, the kriya padam, what you derive is different. Need to note this. Sta, to stand, becomes tishtati. Saha tishtati means he stands. Uttishtati means he gets up. Uttishtata, jagrata, prapyavaran, nibodata. Arise, awake, and approach the teacher. Prapyavaran, nibodata. The next one, please read that also.
Drish sees pashyati.
Yeah, drish dhatu, not drishati, pashyati.
Pashyati.
Okay, next one. Rajeshwari.
Yes. Dhav, runs or jump, dhavati. Sprush, touches, sprushati. Rat, repeats, ratati. Who becomes or is, bhavati. Arch, worships, archati.
Yes. So all these are simple dhatus. Arch, archati, pujane. Then the next person, Tanujaji.
Kat tells, kathaya.
No,
Crow.
krit. Krit.
Crow. Crow does, karoti. Hooch, chops, hoojati. Kand, cries, krandati.
Okay, krand. And the first one is krit. Kartayati. Note that. To cut.
Yeah,
Krit.
And kat is to tell. Katayati.
Katayati.
Another word for telling.
Katha is
Another word. Vadati.
vadati. That is speaks.
Yeah, speaks or tells, okay, both are. So we can use katayati or vadati. Kru, karoti. Okay.
Kru, karoti.
Next person, Manjulaji.
Yeah, Guruji. Could gum goes gachati. Gau sings gayati.
Not go.
Gai.
Gai, gayati. Gai, to sing. You have to note this. This is the kriya padam. That becomes gayati, not gayati and all. Gayati. Okay. Then
Gad speaks.
one more word. Gadati speaks. Vadati, katayati, gadati. So many words are there.
Guruji. Khan digs. Khanati. Through crossover. Tarati. Dhyai meditates. Dhyayati.
Dhyai is the dhatu. From that only we get dhyanam and all. Dhyanam, dhyata. So dhyayati. These are some of the kriya padam. Now some more translation. This kriya padam you need to know. I will help you if you don't remember. So, but you have to make a note of these kriya padams. Next person, Priyaji.
Yes, Ji.
Try this.
Mama Agraja cooks. I forgot.
Pachati.
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 Yes. Do it again.
Mama Agraja Pachati.
Yes. How do you do the translation?
Vachi.
How do you do that? From there, how do you start?
Apachati.
Kriya Padam.
Start from the Kriya Padam, always. Note this. My elder sister is don't start with the elder sister, Agraja, Mama Agraja. No. Cooks. I have to start from cooks. Cooks is what Purusha?
Pradama Purusha.
Third person, Pratama Purusha. Yes. So therefore, and cooks, how many people are cooking?
One person.
Ekavach.
Therefore, Pachati. First you have to find out the Kriya Padam. Then who is the Karta of doing that?
Elder sister.
Elder sister.
Elder sister.
Agraja Pachati. And what is the connection between her and me? She is my sister.
Mama.
My
sister.
My sister.
Mama Agraja Pachati. Okay. So we will continue this translation next class. Okay. So a lot of sentences are there. I said I will send. No, this I forgot. Maybe please remind me if in case we forget.
Yes.
This Kriya Padam I will send you.
Okay, Guruji.
So we'll stop here and please continue with your Shabdas. And I introduce Sandhi and Pratyahara, you know it very well.
Yes.
And Kriya Padam also. We'll continue this. And the Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthan book also, we will do it. You remind me, but also we'll do it. So that will
Okay,
help.
Guruji.
I think the pace is okay for you, right?
Yes, Guruji.
Absolutely okay, Guruji.
Yes.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Guru Namaha Harihi Om.
Dhanyawad.